Three things you should never do with your car's fuses. Number three, don't change fuses while the vehicle is running. Never. Turn it off first. Whenever possible, turn off the vehicle and the system you're going to check before removing or installing a fuse. This reduces the risk of accidentally causing a short circuit or damaging an electronic component. Number two, never try to bypass a mini fuse like this because you could end up with melted wires, damaged electronic components, or in the worst case, cause a fire. So it's better to spend a few bucks on a new fuse and avoid a repair that could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Number one, never use a fuse with a higher amperage. Even though it might seem like a quick fix, it's actually one of the worst decisions you can make. A fuse with a higher amperage lets more current through than the circuit was designed to handle, increasing the risk of damaging wires, any kind of wires, and electronic modules, or even causing a fire. And if you want these fuses to stop blowing so often, I invite you to watch the video that's showing on your screen right now.